Hello everyone. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make the header transparent in Wix.com. So as you can see from this example, as I scroll down, the header stays frozen until I reach the bottom. The problem with this type of header is that it obstructs the view of some of the pictures and some of the products that I'm trying to look at. So if you want to make this transparent, what you can do is go back to the editor. And once you're in the editor, double click on the top part of the header. And this little window pops up, which is the header design. And click on border and make sure the opacity and color is set to 0. And once you've done that, you can also double click on the bottom part of the header, which is the strip background, and click on settings. And also make sure that the opacity and color is set to 0. And once you're done with that, you can click on preview. And now, as we scroll down, you can now see that the border is transparent. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.